The Slug Boys, yay!
You think you can escape me, Batman?
He doesn't have a lot of room up.
Sounds like Mr. Freeze there, actually, but I don't think. Where the fuck are you then, with that?
I'm the Joker, baby!
Get him, Joker! Get him!
Oh.
This is as reckless as it gets.
Don't worry, Joker, I'll throw him down.
I'll go down quickly. Punch him.
This is one precarious situation.
Take Charlotte!
Shows you the lengths these superstars are willing to go to. No such thing. Textbook jumping clothesline. Oof. Oh, this is really no place for a fight surrounded by painted cars.
Okay.
Superstars seem to think it's the perfect place.
That's it, I'm taking some Venom, some symbiote, Venom serum. Kill him.
Down on the wind. Fireman's carry. Takedown.
Get up.
It's over for a flapjack. Anywhere in this parking lot seems like fair game right now. There's so many ways this could go wrong.
He didn't have the fucking gun, man.
Face.
Again. He's breaking my heart. It's my wank, you know.
Oh, bartender coming out of stops. And this is why this is the most dangerous parking lot in all of sports entertainment. And he has no regard for anyone else now that he has the sled.
Break his back.
Nice, your stunt, mate.
There's no one here to save you, Batman. No one at all. You're all alone. Gotham belongs to me now.
He's got a plan for that.
Yes, who's
Some people will call me the Mad Hound.
Guess who's for dinner?
Oh no. We've got a couple more, maybe.
He's doing some
Don't go anywhere.
carefully measured knee.
Oh, that's. Maybe they did a grab, but I don't know. Maybe. I'm tenderizing my way back.
Oh, you're on it. Alright, well. But you hit me.
Gotham's mine!
It's never the ideal place to set
Gotham's mine!
That's what you're wrong.
Let's just hope the local medical facility is on standby.
What did you do this
Fucking hell.
Dirty did fire.
Leads the attack. Proof the superstars have done their homework. It's
You said you up me. That was it. Did you the king of it?
just trying to pound their
King of it?
even further. Duking it out in the parking lot.
Where's he going? You like some of my Joker serum? Some people say it's a right laugh. Oh,
I just hope no one was seriously hurt.
Bro, the Joker was going from
Ben 10!
fuck is that?
Fucking Ben 10 and KSI.
Again.
Monkey flip.
Shot.
Monkey flip.
Monkey flip!
Monkey.
You know, now here.
Monkey.
The fuck is that? Is that door?
It's a fucking door. Ben 10 or something. I heard about this meeting.
You going on muting, you fucking one-eyed dick.
Captain America shoot!
The effort cuts him off with a shot to the gut. Getting carried to a vulnerable position here. So much damage inflicted.
Oh.
Adding more injury to injury.
Oh. Did you do that?
I'm gonna gang up on yourself.
Who's me? You Cyclops.
Just caught flush.
Come on.
It's uneliminated.
Had to follow up.
Den's no, that's racist.
Intercepts that attack with a knee.
Yeah, baby!
My balls!
Crying.
Stages where you can lay waste to your opponent in a hurry. They must have lost their minds.
Where's
Everyone in the back
Spider-Man?
needs to stay away.
See the one up high in both you run straight for me.
Where is Spider-Man?
Are blinded by
I
rage.
don't know who Spider-Man is.
Yeah, oh.
Fucking down. He's the
Where is Spider-Man?
Swiping, no swiping!
Help.
Spider-Man!
Where is it? I mean, no, I'm no English, senor. Oh no!
Right to the face. That is a lethal weapon. Beautiful arm wringer applied.
Women.
So accurate.
Can the mouse come out to play?
Is it about what you guys?
You saw that coming. Oh, what a right.
Stand up, I dare you.
He's got the support of... Hoisted up.
It's just a Green Goblin stomps in the brains of 12-year-old girl.
Where are they going? It can only get worse from here. This fight has...
Okay, I need to go home. I need to go home.
Maybe she had a moment.
Oh, yes! Oh my God!
Gosh! And the parking lot continues to be the most dangerous place to settle your disputes. Taking a moment to get pumped. This crowd's incredible energy. Boom!
You goblin watching us.
Slowly rising, looking like a very easy... Up across the shoulder.
Completely lobotomized, look. Yeah! Get in there!
No, no again.
Motionless here.
Again!
You don't want to be locked inside this meat wagon.
You think you can lock me up?
That's all I get. All this gets recorded.
This is Mickey Mouse
Guess
getting
what?
revenge on fucking Marvel.
Anyone should be in now.
If all this gets recorded, guess what? I've got all the lawyers in the world, baby.
Winner, SpongeBob.
Hey, hang on a second, guys. It seems like
What the fuck is
That's a
that
killer.
wait
thing?
any longer. They're
I'm
already
not like
tearing each
ready.
other apart backstage.
Miles.
You want to worry about that big fucking thing, mate?
I've been to the elevator, mate. I'm not dealing with that.
Hey, D-Day! D-Day!
Krang!
Help me!
We know
Harley, help me!
what a power slam.
Big Mongo bastard! Buzz! Oh,
Wait, you know.
I punched him and he just took me off.
With a reversal.
Harley, get up here!
Taking things to a new height here. I wonder what the plan is.
Yeah.
We're going to find out very soon. This is
Get his hammer away!
Get down there.
on the back of the neck. Just don't. No. That
I turned around and just see you flying through there.
No, no.
return here. Here comes a trash can for you.
Can't even run, mate. Look at you, look at you.
Get him in the fucking. We'll get him in the fucking ambulance or something.
That's like that meme when I couldn't run in slow motion towards the camera.
Still running!
Fucking bastard.
No, they launched into attack mode, but
Come on in! Oh,
everything in the parking lot can be used
Oh, no.
as a weapon.
This is it for you, mate.
Unforgiving environment.
Can I not pick that up? No. Ambulance. Get him in.
Two-handed choke slam. He caught him right on the cheekbone.
You get him! Get him!
As the arm trapped.
Fuck his ass!
Fucking at him.
And their night's over. See ya.
Throw him in.
That's not going to get him in.
Oh, fuck. Oh, no.
No, you don't, dickhead.
Oh, shit. Close it.
Getting a look at
Good thing you are, eh?
right now.
No, don't pick up the
He's
cone.
got one. Yeah.
Throw him in.
In you go, dickhead.
Right, get him in.
This is a hell of a struggle. Just trying to close one door. First door.
How is that even
What's the first
possible?
door? Next one.
Oh fuck, there's me!
Come on, come on.
Can
Fuck's sake.
And escaping the
well get off for fuck's sake, you
I'm
fuck
eliminated.
bastard!
Oh, fuck.
no,
Close it.
getting dragged to the edge of the ambulance.
Hey, come on!
Don't want to be locked inside. Just have to make sure to get the other door
Press
locked.
1.
You need to hide.
Close the second
Aye,
door.
my fucking something in my elbows popped.
And shut the
Oh, what was that?
Fuck's sake.
And finally, man.
Sending a message.
Come back!
He's a bit to get to the game.
It was finished. It was done.
And she just avoided some serious damage.
You stood my knee.
Stop like that, man. Seconds.
Struggling to find a base. Time could very well be running out. Lifting them up.
Will's just like
Like each other, but
twitching in the flare.
this into a
He's
parking
like
lot.
starting to wake up, but he's not.
Catches the kick into a dragon screw leg whip. Dodges out of the way. Pretty drop kick.
He won!
It's taking ages.
Just cranking the head. This fight is
Probably not going to get us. Never get it.
Oh no,
I
man.
don't go, still
Oh,
good.
for
Fucking hell, finally, man.
reason. That
One
ball
half
head shakes
scrimmage.
downtown Austin at 2 a.m.
Me, man.
It's literally a second that I've missed that. How long did that even last?
I don't I'll fucking
do
find out, man.
I'll be back.
Oh.
He's getting a fucking flag.
What the fuck?
It's fine. He's got a rape pig mask.
Fuck's sake.
The moment this match is announced, the WWE Universe has expected a classic. I think it is destined to deliver.
Right, everybody, you can sell out. He's got a stick. He's just got a 4x4.
He's just got a plank of wood.
Aye.
The tension building for this match is so thick you can cut it with a knife. A lot of drama involved with this one.
Gonna build a bridge.
Well, that was up. Yep, America.
Captain America.
I've got shit Africa.
Oh fuck.
The force.
He's flying.
Force flight. I read about it.
Right, just skip something.
Out there that can equal the sheer chaos.
It's cutscene. Fucking cutscene skip.
He fucking weaved it and knocked me out.
Piece of hardware inside. Could this be it?
Oh.
Job now. You have to get it totally unhooked.
Get it, get it.
And here he goes. Gonna
Let's say that and my Steve-O.
Get it.
show you this is even harder than it looks.
Go on, man.
He's fucking flinging me.
But sometimes you just gotta toss another person.
It's not fucking. You didn't.
Oh,
Oh, what am I doing?
Should have done that in the other day.
This is the chance.
Oh! Get down from there!
Don't let him get it.
What he's got planned here, guys.
Don't let the pig get it.
And he's directed into the
Don't let the pigs get it.
I'm not a pig, I'm a swine. Is that
Yeah, fucking.
right, it is.
Don't tell me. No, there's nothing safe about this.
Oh yeah, man.
You might hang on. Yeah, that's actually like, I can't push out. I'm pushing me in here.
The ladder is teetering after every talking of punch.
Fireball!
I think we are witnessing a
I'm a bitch!
guys, the spoils will only go to
Good
the
to
victor.
fire me.
I have a feeling we're close to finding out exactly.
I guess you aren't.
Sending him careening through the table.
I'll climb up first, then. Get down from there.
He's got it in his hands. Gonna try and unhook it now. Any opening could
No, you don't.
be an opening. You just have to go for it. So close to walking.
This pig needs to fuck off.
Just fingertips away now. Bodies have been decimated, fortitude has been tested, and these fans are showing their approval of these superstars. Being set up in the corner for something.
Oh, I don't know.
Back into the ring here.
No, both he's just there at the same time, kid.
The line was the easy part of the job.
Mike Donald.
Get away! Get away! Oh, see if you can stop hitting me, maybe I can knock this punk down. I don't know, I guess.
This will end well. Each superstar now looking to put a stop to their
You're letting him in.
seems to be struggling with
That's crazy, you just let him win that.
match is over.
That's crazy, you
He
just let
was
him
able
win
to
that.
skip
like.
2 stages there, so that wasn't even
But-
our fault.
Well, it's your fault, because I could have knocked him down while still on top of that ladder, you know?
Tremendous victory.
I bet.
Because I was
goodness.
mashing, I was actually mashing B to grab a cunt, and I was doing the animation, but you jumped up and punched me in the arse.